and welcome back to Lottie. So today's video is the July beauty box. So if you want to see what I've got in today's box, then make sure you keep watching. And if you like today's video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family, hit that subscribe button and change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. Alright, let's jump in. Okay, so the first thing in the boxes is these little cards which tells us what is in here. So let's jump in and see what's in here. Okay, the first product, I've just had to actually dig through to actually find it. It gave me this little card that was folded up in here, but the actual product was down in the bottom. It had fallen through. So it's actually a little perfume. So it is from I Have Calm. And it says it smells like a lazy stroll among the wildflowers after the rain. This light earthly floral scent is so calming it will even help your eyelashes breathe a sigh of relief. So it's basically an essential oil perfume. So it's 7 mils. It's a lavender, bergamot, sandalwood and patchouli. I think that is how it is pronounced. Now, this retails for $24.95 and you can pick it up from melissaallenmoodessentials.com. So I might pass this on to my mother-in-law because I have tons of fragrances now, and I definitely prefer more of like the sweet or like vanilla sort of flavors over a floral scent. So I will pass this on to her because I know she loves floral scents. The next product that I have in here is from Innisfree. I think that's how you pronounce it. But it is a Jeju Volcanic Blackhead 3-step program. So it comes in like this 3-step package here. And basically it retails for $4 and it's available from selected K-beauty retailers. So Innisfree.com is one. But basically you use the step 1 to open the pores for blackhead removal. Step 2, you apply the blackhead out mask to remove the blackheads effectively. And step 3 is a pore tightening mask to tighten up the open pores. So this takes about 15 to 20 minutes per step. But it sounds really, really good. I definitely suffer from blackheads on my nose, like a lot of people. It's completely normal. So I'm definitely interested in giving this a try. The next product I've got here is just a little sample one, and it is from Phytomeur. And it's a Souffle Marin Energizing Oxygenating Serum. And it's a 5 ml sample. The 30 ml retails for $90 and you can pick it up from beautycollective.com.au. And it's just a little sample like this. I might pop this in a little giveaway or give it to a friend or family member. The next product I have in here is from, I think it is Apieu. A-P-I-E-U. I might add that to the screen for you, but it is a Milk for One sheet mask. So it is a moisturizing mask infused with milk and natural extracts to hydrate and nourish the skin, and it leaves the skin soft and smooth. So this retails for $3 and is available from selected K-beauty retailers. And the packaging of this is super adorable. It's like a pink strawberry milk carton. It's really, really cute. Definitely interested to see what this is going to be like. It does say that it's an air pocket sheet mask. I don't think I've ever tried an air pocket sheet mask before. The next product in here is actually a cute little eyeshadow palette. So this is from Technique 6 and it is just a little neutral eyeshadow. It retails for $17.95 and it's just a small little neutral palette like this. I think I'll pop this in a giveaway because I've definitely got plenty of neutral eyeshadows and I do tend to go for more of a colourful look than a neutral look most of the time. And I think this would be really cute to pop in one of my giveaways. And the last 2 products I've got in here is actually from Neoxin and it is a fine hair cleanser shampoo and scalp therapy conditioner. Now these are just the little sample or travel sizes, so they're 50 mils each and they retail for $9.95 each. Now I actually used to use Neoxin quite regularly because I do have really bad fine hair and hair loss from the medications that I'm on. So I used to actually use, I think it was stage 4 of this one, which is normally the one that is like it's the strongest one. And I really liked it. I definitely felt it helped. My hairdresser has me on something different now, and that works just as good. But I definitely love these products. So I will probably use these because I know that this doesn't hurt me, and I really do love them. I used them for probably about 4 or 5 years. The only thing I can say negative about it is that it does have like a minty smell, so it can sting your eyes a little bit from the strong mint. So just close your eyes if you're going to use this. So that is everything in the July box. I think this was our last month from Beautybox Club. I don't know if we're actually going to re-sign up to this one again, because I did re-sign up to the Cosmo box for 3 months. So I think we'll try that one again for another 3 months, and then we'll make a decision if we want to try a new one or if we want to, you know, re-sign up to this. I tend to give a lot of stuff to my mother-in-law, so she likes getting these boxes as well. So I will tally up on the screen to let you know how much the value of the contents was versus how much I paid, to let you know if it was worth the money. But I definitely think it is. From memory, it's about $45 for the box, and I definitely think I've got my value from that. But I hope you enjoyed today's video. It's nice, short and sweet. So if you did like today's video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family. Hit that subscribe button and change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. And as always, thanks for watching, guys. Bye!